Right, I'm going to remove the bearing from the inner primary case. What I've already done, same with on most seals, just pried out the oil seal. This is on the transmission side. So just drop that off. Get your circlip pliers. There's a circlip in. Wrong ones again. Take the circlip off, then spin it over, and on the clutch side there's another circlip in here. Let's drop that off. And the next thing is, obviously we'll set it up in the press and press that out. There's also a bush to come out here, and if you can see the other end, in here is where your shifter arm goes through, and there's two bushes, one at each side. They'll be getting pressed out as well. I'll remove the tensioner shoe bracket. Then obviously the case will be getting a good scrub over, good clean up, and then all the new bits pressed in. So I'll just knock it off for now and we'll get set up in the press. Right, as you can see on the press bed, there's a supporting tube. That's just you don't want to be pressing this out and putting loads of pressure on your case. That's the bearing out. Now, if you've watched earlier video, you'll have seen me pulling off an inner race. Obviously, it's had heat round it to break its well, to expand it so I could get it off the shaft. That inner race is the bit that runs inside this bearing. Obviously it won't run very smoothly now because it's knackered, but this is getting replaced with it's an all balls you get the full kit in this. You get your circlips and seal and a bearing, which as you can see, the bearing's one piece. The inner race is already built into it, and it's also quite a lot thicker. And that's a slip fit onto your main shaft, and obviously a press fit into the inner primary case. And it's just a lot stronger, better setup than the stock bearing. Also, on some bikes that I've done, that inner race can move on the shaft, and it can push inwards towards the transmission, and it can cause a few issues. So at least on that one, once it's in place, it can't go anywhere. But yeah, that's why the inner race came off, and that's what it's getting replaced with, an upgraded all balls kit. All balls racing, apparently. Not that I'm going to be racing this thing. So let's knock you off for now, we'll get on to the next bit. Right, I've took the bushes out of there and knocked the oil seal out. I've also took the other end of this primary drive, which I don't think you can see on, no, you can't see on camera. You've got where your shifter rod arm goes through your primary case. I've knocked the bushes out of there as well. And I'm now going to, when I can find my tools, take the tensioner shoe backing plate off, whatever you want to call it. And it's a Torx 40. Crack them. And basically that's it. It's that's the back of it. I'll just now that's off, what I'll do is I'll give the whole casing a good wash with all the other stuff, and I'll run a tap down all threaded holes just to clean the threads out, and generally just get everything cleaned up and ready to start putting back together. So, right, that's it for now.